Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm at Hulda Crooks in Loma Linda, California, and the wind has just been so crazy today. I tried to record an intro on top of the hill and I couldn't even hear myself talk. So I just figured I'd record something off camera instead. But the good news today is that it's been raining on and off again and the dirt conditions are just amazing. And speaking of amazing, look at that American flag. You know, nothing says freedom more than an American flag waving in the wind on top of a ridgeline. But anyways, I'm riding Outlaw today. I'm super excited. I haven't ridden this trail in a while. And before we get into the ride, go ahead and give the video a like if you like it. If you don't like the video, just go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. But that being said, let's go ahead and get into today's ride. Wind is crazy today. Oh. Oh yeah. Wind is super sketchy. Oh, I almost lost it right there. The dirt is just so nice today. Oh. Oh no. Oh my God. Whew. That was insane. Oh, that was so fun. Yeah, the rain definitely made a big difference. The dirt is not loose at all. It's perfect. Anyways, that was Outlaw. Such a fun trail. And now, time to climb up Fire Road here. All right, made it up to Fire Road. This next little section right here, I don't know if it has a name, but it's very switchbacky. And for now, I'm just gonna call it wild and wacky, slithery snake trail. And if that's not the name of it, well, it should be. Here we go. Oh, man. Oh, that's tight. Oh, this is super sketchy. Oh, no. Oh, God, no. Stay on. I fell on this last time. Whew.